Hello, welcome back to Math Vibes channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about some basic geometrical concepts which are very useful and you'll keep on learning in almost all the classes starting from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or so on. So today in this video we are going to cover the topics of point, line segment, ray, angle, and also we will learn about some differences between line and line segments. So before we move on further, take a minute to click on the subscribe button. So let us learn about a point first. A point is an exact location of an object. It has no length, no breadth and no height. We can also say that it has no dimensions and it is represented with a dot. So if you want to know the examples of point, you can see the stars in the sky. They are the perfect examples of a point. Now let's learn about a line. A line, it does not have a fixed length and fixed endpoints. That means we don't know its starting point or ending point because it goes on endlessly in both the directions. So that is why if it has no end, then how can it have endpoints, right? For example, number line and railway tracks are the perfect examples of a line. It goes on endlessly. So let us now learn about a ray. Now what is a ray? A ray begins from a fixed point and it extends endlessly in one direction. It has only one fixed point and it will go on endlessly in another direction, right? So the examples of a ray can be sun rays or rays of light coming from a torch, or sometimes you must have seen on the roads there is an arrow sign showing that you have to move straight or you can just take the turn. Okay, so that is a ray. So what now, let us study about the differences between a line and a line segment, right? A line and a line segment. Let's take out, let's take the example of a line segment first. So now a line segment, we can draw it on a paper because it has a finite length. Okay, we know its length is fixed, so we can draw it on a paper. A line segment, it will have two endpoints, a starting point and an ending point. Whereas if we look at the line, then we cannot draw a line on a paper because it has infinite length. It goes on endlessly in both the directions and it has no endpoints also. Okay, so these differences of line and line segments, they are very important. Go through it again if you're not clear about it, because these terms are going to be used everywhere. So let us now look at angles. Now what do you mean by an angle? When two rays emerge from a common point, they form an angle at the vertex. They form an angle at the vertex. Now what is a vertex and what are arms, we will study ahead. Okay, but before that, if you look at it, if you look around in our environment, then you will see then a number of objects such as two hands of a clock or two arms of a divider or two arms of a scissor, they all suggest an angle. Like in these two figures, you can see that here an acute angle is formed and here an obtuse angle is formed. In a scissor also, here also one angle is formed and this side also another angle is formed. So the common endpoint of the two rays or line segments forming an angle is called the vertex of the angle, means where the two rays meet. That point is called the vertex, where the two rays meet. And those two rays or the line segments, they are called the arms or the sides of an angle. So we can say that here we have this as a vertex and these two are the arms or the sides of an angle, right? So till now we have studied about line segment, ray and angle. And if you like our video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Keep on showering your love and support to us. Each and every subscriber is truly valuable for me. Thank you so much. If you have any suggestions, please write it in the comment section below. We will be waiting to see your comments. Thank you. Bye bye.